Hello everyone, today I'm going to be redoing a project that I did before. I put some fingernail polish on some plastic Dollar Tree wine glasses, and I use like just regular polish like this. I think I tried this one. Just regular Dollar Tree polish and Avon or just any kind of polish. And it didn't work well. I found that the only one that did work well that day was this actual Kiss Gel White, which really worked well here. And I mean, you can wash it, it lasts. Look at the texture of it. It really worked well. Everything else didn't. So what I did, I went and got more of the Kiss gels, and I'm going to be using them on this. And these are my stencils. I'll be using the Falcon Sign, True Love, Queen. GR is for Girls Rule. We'll be doing Icy Girl and Superwoman. So I'm going to go ahead and get my stencil onto my cups, and I'll be back with that, and we'll start polishing. Okay, I just want to show you how I put the little stencil on. I get that kind of like transfer tape. Make sure to take it off, put it all over, make sure all the bubbles are down. So this is on. Let me go ahead and show you how I peel it off once I do get it on. That one's ready. On this little Falcon, my little eye kind of came off. I don't know if I have it in the right spot or not, but I just really, that's not all the way stuck down. I just really want to make sure that the fingernail polish would work on here. That's my main goal. So I also wanted to show you how I'm going to actually put one on. To make sure this sticks all down by rubbing it with this. And then I want to make sure that it's coming off like that. Make sure everything is down. Try not to stick it on nothing but where and nowhere and nothing but and nowhere that I need it to be. Only where I need it to be, because it's really, if you mess up, it won't act right. You can't try to pull it off and stick it back on. Okay, so that's pretty good. So that's how you put the stencil on. After you, of course, make the stencil on whatever device you choose. Whether you're using Photoshop, your Cricut maker, your Brother maker, whatever. So I'll go ahead and finish pulling this one off, putting this one on, GR Girls Rule, and start polishing. So I chose the colors. We're going to do the Queen in this kind of dark purple. And Supergirl was that Wonder Woman, I'm sorry. She has to have pink because the Falcons, they have to have the red. And we'll do Girls Rule in this like mauve or taupe. True Love is getting gray. And Icy Girl, of course, she's getting white. So we'll start. So I'm going to start with Girls Rule, because I think that all girls rule. And if they don't, they just don't know it yet, and they need to hurry up and figure it out and start ruling. paint on across the whole stencil without going outside. And I think I'm trying to see if I'm going to need 2 coats or just 1 coat. The gel really is kind of thick, and it covers really well. I think I will do 2 coats, but I'm going to go ahead and do a quick 1 coat just so that you can see me coating it and coat the other 3. I'm not going to do all of these on camera. Just going to do this, and I'm going to jump right into, I'll go to Queen next, because not only do girls rule, but all women, real grown women, they're queens. And if they don't know it yet, then that means they don't have their grown woman all the way on, and they need to figure that out too. So we'll do Icy Girl next. What is an Icy Girl? An Icy Girl to me is someone who, you know, kind of know who she is, and can't nobody tell her who she's not in a negative way. I mean, she can be corrected, but she, you know, she icy, and she just got her stuff together so she can say that she's icy. And she can be icy if she wants to be, because she earned that right. But she's only icy towards someone when she really needs to be. But it means different things. I guess different things to everybody, but that's kind of what it means to me. I hope that don't sound kind of arrogant or whatever. But yeah, basically, girl got it going on because she been working hard and putting in the work. And sometimes, you know, you have to be icy. And icy, you can be icy in a firm way, mean way if you have to. Or you could be icy in like a confident way. Like, you know what? I'm not arrogant, but I feel good today. I look good today. I finally feel good. I finally feel like I look good. Because, you know, however you feel on the inside, it portrays itself on the outside. And sometimes, you know, we don't always feel good, so we don't feel like we look good. So we're not icy all the time. We don't feel like we're queens all the time. Or we don't feel like we rule. Oh my goodness, I just been blabbering on. Sorry about that. Let me go ahead and finish painting. Okay, everyone, so I have all of them painted. And the main thing to look for is on the inside of the glass to make sure that your design is covered. Completely covered, the design part. So we have everything completely covered. And we are going to let this dry. I don't know how long before I let it dry it overnight. Probably not overnight, but every bit of 3 to 5 hours or longer. But the next time I come back, I'll actually be pulling them off, revealing the results. And if you wanted to get a little more fancier with it, which I may in the future, especially if someone asks for it, you can use 2 colors. You don't have to use 1 color. I guess I could have, let's see. I could have definitely did this in blue and white. Wonder Woman. I could have did some red and yellow. But basically, I just want to see how well the gel nail do with all 6 of the cups. It did work well on this one, when it didn't work well with the other fingernail polishes. So when I come back, we'll see how this works. I think that this is going to be good. I hope it does. Before we do our reveal, I just wanted to make sure that I didn't forget to tell you that I did, even though it's plastic, I still washed the surface, prepared the surface as if it was glass. So I wiped them off with the alcohol and then dried them before we put the vinyl on in the nail polish. So I just wanted to make sure that I didn't leave that out. This says 70%, but it's actually mostly 90% mixed with 70. I had like a little bit left in the bottle. In this bottle, the top was better than the 90%. So now it's time for the reveal. Okay, so the first one we'll do, I want to say they've been drying for like about 3 hours. I hope they come out right. The first one we're going to do is the girls' rule. Looking good so far. But I think I'm going to have to pull. Oh goodness, I hope that's coming off of the stencil and not the cut. So I'm going to have to get my little tool and pull out all that blue that you still see inside to reveal the whole thing. So I'll do that, but I'm going to go ahead and peel them all off. This is Queen next. Working better than that first fingernail polish, that just plain fingernail polish. The gel, let me spread them out, sorry about that. The gel nail polish is definitely working a lot better. I hope it's dry 100%. Okay, well anyway, let me go ahead. Let me peel this last one first, and then let me go ahead and, well, not the last one that I'm going to peel on camera, and let me kind of clean them and plot out what need to be plotted and see what the results are. I'm thinking maybe I should have let it dry even more than what I did. Oh, yeah, probably for this one I should. Maybe, I don't know. I actually put another coat on this one. I need to start having just a little bit more patience. I messed this one up. Anyway, let me finish these and see how they turn out. One moment. Okay, it's actually coming out pretty good. This is the True Love. I want to let it dry a little longer though before I actually start running my hand across it. But I know that it turned out well, and I'm taking the rest of doing the rest of the plotting on these. I'm not gonna show you the whole thing, but I'm just gonna show you. Well, that's nice. I really like the way it's turning out. So you get the idea. I'm gonna go ahead and finish. Where's that little? Gee, wait. What do I have to take out here? I got to take this out. This whole section right here. Okay, let's see. Yeah. I think. Yeah. Okay. Yep. And then I have a little piece there. After I finish this one, I am going to do the rest of them and come back and show you all of them. But this gel nail works a lot better. But I can tell you, like on all of these, I put the 2 coats on and I didn't do anything else. But on the white one, I don't know why, I just felt like it wasn't covered, and I came back and I did another coat on the white. I know just looking at it from here, it looks fine to you. But up close, I don't know if you can, yeah, now you can see it a little better up close. It's like I didn't let it dry and I peeled some and it etched the glass. wish I would not have done that. It was already fine. So I'm going to go ahead and finish these 3 and come back. Okay, so this is the final product. I think everything came out pretty good except for 2, and I'll show you. So the gel nail is a winner. This looks black, but it's actually like a deep purple. I don't know what happened to my other little star over here on my little Wonder Woman. I absolutely just don't see it. Maybe I left it out. Okay, so on these 2, I think what happened is, I can see now, I put these on kind of thick. It needs to be like a certain thickness. Not too thick or not too thin. 2 layers is fine. Now this one, I did it. I know I slapped this on kind of thick. But if I would have let it dry like overnight, I think it would have been fine. But I noticed that when you do it too thick, it doesn't work as well. So I'm happy to know that it does work. So you can use fingernail polish, gel nail polish on plastic. I know it works on glass. I've tried that before, but not with a design. I just actually just took the brush and just painted a few little pieces on the glass and let it stay overnight. So I'm going to experiment with glass next. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you try this for a special occasion, and I hope that it turns out well for you. Have a great day.